This video is on how to name carboxylic acids. So remember that a carboxylic acid is when you have your carbonyl group, your C double bonded to O, but also an OH, so your hydroxyl group. So together your carbon is bonded to the hydroxide and the carbonyl. So this would have to happen on an N carbon because after adding those two, carbon can only bond one more time. So a lot of these come from where their common name comes from where they were found, their origin. These are typically weak acids. They are actually acids. And these are a lot of like the common weak acids that you may know or have heard of, like citric acid, acetic acid, ascorbic acid, things like that. Alcohols are oxidized to make these. So like if you had ethanol, for example, like in a bottle of wine and you let it sit out over time, it would oxidize and turn into acetic acid or ethanoic acid, which is why wine will actually turn into vinegar. All right, so how to name these? You determine your parent chain like always, which has to include your carboxyl group. You number according to your carboxyl group. So that's always going to be at the one site. So you actually don't have to number where it is because that's always carbon 1. And you change your ending from E to oic acid. So in this first one, my carbon is just 1. So instead of methane, this would be methanoic acid. Right? So the E would have gone right here where the OIC goes. The second one, I have 2 carbons, so that's eth. So this is ethanoic acid, which you also know this as acetic acid because it has the acetate polyatomic ion. All right, and then this last one here with 4 carbons would be bute. So this is butanoic acid. Now, what if you had a substituent? So let's take this butanoic acid and let's add a methyl group right here. So in this case, remember that I have to number according to my carboxyl group. So this would be my 1, 2, 3rd carbon. So I would do 3-methyl and then just butanoic acid. So that's how you name carboxylic acids.